Alright, so welcome to this video. In this video you will learn about dialogue. So how can you create dialogue within Microsoft Dynamics CRM? So I'm going to give you a scenario and then we'll see how we can create that in CRM. So the scenario is that sometimes when an employee is unable to apply leave, in the case when they are outside office, so TDC has given a privilege for employees to call their payroll manager and get their leave logged into Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So it means that employee will call them and payroll manager will basically log their leave on their behalf. Okay, so for this we are going to create a dialog and see how this works within Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Alright, so let's open this solution and let's go to processes and click new to create a new process. And this is going to be a dialog. So we mentioned this as a leave application dialog by payroll manager, and it's going to be type dialog, and here we are going to put the entity as leave application. Okay, and just click OK. So you can see that all other settings are same. You can just keep it as child process as well, but for this we'll just keep it normally. And if you have any arguments that you're passing through the dialog, then you can put this here, any variables, but we'll not go there. We'll just directly add a page. So we'll just click on add step and click page, and here it is. So let's say welcome to manual leave application process. Okay, so this is the page, and here we can add the details. So we can just add here prompt and response. So here is the leave application. So we'll just say who is applying for the leave. Okay, this is a question, so click set properties, and here we give the prompt text which the payroll manager will know. So we'll put this as a question. Please tell your name to start the process of leave application. And the hint we need to give, this is a hint. It says select from the users list carefully. Okay, and the response type is going to be lookup, because the payroll manager needs to select the correct user. So reference entity is user. Okay, and the reference field is going to be created by, and this is what the option is. Let's click save and close. The next is add step, prompt and response. What is the leave type? And click set properties. What is the leave type? So tip would be give them option sick leave, casual leave, etc. Okay, and this is going to be an option set, because this is an option set in the leave application entity, and it is going to be integer. And do you want to log the response? Yes. So here we need to define those responses. Now the value of those responses should be same as what you have in the leave application entity. So let us quickly move there and see what is there in that. So here we are. Let's go to entities and leave application, fields, and the field name is leave type. Okay, so let's go down, and here we are just gonna take two for the example. So we'll take this as sick leave. So we'll just select this, copy, and let's go back to the dialog, and here we can put here the value. We'll just paste it, and it's sick leave. Okay, this is done. Similarly for the next one, we can go there, it's casual leave. Just select this, copy the value, and define it here, add, paste, casual leave. So like this, you'll have to replicate the complete set of all the option sets that you have in that particular field to here. Okay, so make sure that you do that, otherwise system will give you error that this kind of leave type or this value doesn't match. So this is it. Let's click save and close. And let's add one more field, and we say prompt and response, leave title, because this is mandatory. What is the leave title? And here it should be single line of text. That's it. This is the only information. Just click save and close. And let's add one more field. So prompt and response. So we just put here leave reason, set properties, what is the leave reason, and it should be single line of text, and click save and close. Okay, so these are the only fields. Like, you can add more fields if you want users to capture, but this is the only thing required. Now the next step you need to do is create a record as soon as the payroll manager finishes. So you need to click on this page. So we are on this stage now, and let's click add step and create record. So create record, we'll just say create leave application, create leave application, and the record is going to be leave application. Click set properties, and here the first is leave title. We select the look for local values that we have mentioned here. So this is leave title. We just click add response text and click OK. So this will be the response text. Then the leave type. So we go here, set to leave type and add, set it here. And what was next? It was leave reason. So we go here and select leave reason, add here. So we have the owner. It is going to be who is applying the leave, created by, and click add, click OK. Okay, so this is what, if you have any other fields, you can define that as well. So let's click save and close. This is it. So let's click save and activate this dialog. Click activate. So this has been activated. Let's go to the leave application, and for example, the person has called the payroll manager. So what payroll manager needs to do is click on these icons and click start dialog. So as soon as they click start dialog, the payroll manager will see the dialog and click add, and here you have all the information that is required. So tip is select the user carefully. So the first question would be who is applying for the leave. So let's say, okay, it's Abhay Sharma. And what is the leave type? It's a sick leave. Okay, given the option. So the tip is there on the right hand side. What is the leave title? I'm having fever, so can't come in. So what is the leave reason? So it says can't get up. Okay, so this is kind of basic information. I have taken a lot of examples of sick leave, but yeah, this is just for the example. Don't get sick on this kind of examples. So here also you can put summary or description, and this is it. You can just put every other detail. Just click next, and at the end of dialog we can just click finish. So as soon as it click finish, it is going to create a leave, as you can see here. If you refresh it, you can see here it is done. It says I'm having fever, so can't come in. It's a sick leave, and this is a sick leave, no reason required. So this is all done through the business rules that we have created. But if you don't have that particular business rule, whatever we have mentioned, it is going to replace with that. Okay, so it automatically creates a record and assign it to the leave applicant who has applied the leave, and it basically allows users to capture the information on behalf of other users. So this is one of the ways. It can also be used for capturing customer satisfaction survey. It can also be used for capturing information from the customer. It can also be used to update the missing information in the contacts or customers. Okay, and there can be a lot of things can be used with this feature of dialogs. So that's it. This is the way you can create dialogs and use dialogs within Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So I will see you in the next video tutorial.